Hey guys, this is Mike Stankowski, and as promised, I told you I'd take you around the members area, so let's go do this thing. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside of the Online Income Masterclass members area. And as I said, I've been a long time paid member, right? So this is exactly what it's going to look like when you get inside. So I'll just start going along the top and trying to explain everything that's in here. So obviously you get your home page, and next to it is getting started. And inside of this, James has uploaded a couple tutorials and a couple of videos of just basic things like setting up a WordPress blog and stuff like that. So if we move over here, this is the main training. This is the main purpose, I think, why you purchased this program. This is probably the thing you're going to get the most out of. So we'll come back to that in a second. You go to the right of that at the live sessions. Now what he does every second Wednesday for his members, he does a webinar on different topics, all the way from do you want an HTML, testing and tweaking, setting up a sales funnel, selling your own solo ads, and branding, and all stuff that's very, very useful. And if you can't make the webinar on the Wednesday, the next day on Thursday he'll show a recording of it and post it on here, so you can watch that one and all the previous ones, which are really, really useful, and I've got a lot out of them personally. If you go over here, there's a community, so there's a forum where people can go in and other members can talk about their experiences and share some insight, which is really helpful. Here's some upgrades. He has a pre-made sales funnel where he actually has 6 funnels already made that you can purchase and use for yourself, which is really helpful. And these obviously aren't necessary, but they are nice add-ons if you feel like purchasing them. This is second for affiliates. A little bonus section, I guess he's set up to kind of talk about his own experience, and then here how to use WordPress, and then support here where you have any questions. He's really good at getting back to your questions. So here we go I'll show you the main training here. So module 1 is all about how to get started here. There's an introduction, an overview. There's choosing a profitable niche, all the way down to what's a sales funnel, how to build your own sales funnel here, setting up your squeeze page, and it's all how to optimize your blog and set it up. So there's a whole bunch of videos here, and I'll just show you a little sample of the video. Make sure my volume's on. So a little intro.
Like a house. If you were to build a house without any foundations, everything else would collapse. So you need to have all the basics in place and all the foundations there. Real deal with absolutely zero scams involved. You get a lot of courses online which promise the world, and then audio interview series, software, and much more. So you will be selling.
So really all it is a screen recording he's taken of, and he does these little PowerPoint presentations where he goes through everything. And the videos range anywhere from 5 to maybe 18 or 19 minutes, and you get a lot of information. So that's module 1. You get into module 2. Module 2 is all about traffic. And so once you've got your sales funnel set up and your blog set up to be optimized, then you can start driving traffic to it. And this module is designed the best traffic method that he knows of. So he talks about paid versus free traffic, and then he gets right into the solo ads, which if you don't know what they are, they're incredible, and they're really something you should learn about because they'll take your business to a whole new level. It's down to ad swaps and search engine optimization and everything all the way down there. So that's a really good module. And module 3 here. So when you start with the course, you get the first 3 modules. First one is basic setting up everything. Second one's traffic, and the third one is how to communicate with your email list and your customers effectively. So it gives you those strategies for that. So you go down creating email promotions and everything in there, building trust, and even a little bit on copywriting, which is really cool. So once you get through a few months, you can get into 4. Module 4 is all about product creation, and then it just goes from there. So that's a little bit about what's involved here. I hope this has kind of shone some light on it for you and helped you out. And okay guys, until next time, this is Mike Stankowski signing off.